Hello tubers, this is Kurt with Edibles and Exotics coming to you from sunny Mesa, Arizona. And in this video, we're going to be talking about tissue culture grown black Pakistani mulberry trees. So I'm buddies with Alan over at Queen Creek Tropicals. I always drop off plants for him, like oddities that I grow that I think he may not have. So I'm always bringing him stuff and he's always giving me stuff. You know, I get a good relationship. He's a great guy, grows great plants. I highly recommend him. You know, if I'm too far from you guys to drive through to pick up your plants, or if I don't have something, I'd give him a call or stop by. He's an awesome guy. So this tree behind me, I planted it in August, middle of August 2021. So it's been on the ground about 1.5 years. And do a little cutaway here so you can see how teeny tiny it was. And like I said, it was a tissue culture. He actually gave it to me for free. I mean, that's how nice of a guy he is. You know, I traded him some plants and he gave it to me and I planted it right away. And the reason I planted it in the middle of the yard was to shade both my hugel mounds, because I grow sun-sensitive vegetables in my hugel mounds, let's just say. And trying to grow it sideways. So I've been air layering a lot off the sides where it's going into the path, the walkway. And I've done a lot of air layers. I have some from last year that are going to be ready for sale coming up in the next 2-3 weeks. Again, they're tissue cultures. So if you buy one from me, you may have to wait 1 year to 2 years for it to start putting on fruit, but it's going to put on size like you wouldn't believe in no time at all. So the one behind me, it went from teeny tiny, like you could see in the picture, to probably close to 20 feet already. Here's the trunk on this sucker. It's probably, I would say 6 to 8 inches in diameter at the base. All right, it's multi-trunk, which is my favorite kind of tree. Here you can see the air layers. Now, if you watch my grafting videos, you know I talk about air layers and grafts and stuff waking up before the rest of the tree. So as you can see, these guys, they got branches coming out, no berries because it's a tissue culture and it hasn't been in the ground long enough, but these guys all have leaves on them, okay? These guys budded out about a month ago, and you can see the rest of the tree is just starting to break bud, okay? So these guys got a jump start. The best time to air layer these guys is right before they're gonna start waking up, maybe a month or two before. That way you get a jump start on it before it gets broiling hot outside and kills your air layers. So these air layers, I keep checking them weekly and they haven't put out any roots yet, but they're not drying out. They're looking great. So we're just gonna monitor the water on those, make sure they stay nice and moist in the rooting pods. And probably in another 2-3 weeks, we're gonna cut those off, we're gonna pot them up, and we're gonna have multiple air layers that'll probably be ready for sale in another 2-3 months. These are some air layers I did last fall. And you can see they're doing pretty good. I got some all different sizes. This one here, he was struggling, but he's starting to wake up now. There's another one, struggling a little bit, but it's not dead. It's starting to green up at the bud tips. Got some more over here, some shorter ones. There's another one over here. So these are my garden mounds, guys. I got some eggplants, some Florida avocados, tree collards. I got a black Madeira fig over there. So some peanuts, some longevity spinach, golden African rhino horn banana, another avocado, Florida, some more tree collards, some Roselle hibiscus, and then our Brunswick or magnolia fig. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. You know, if you buy a tissue culture Pakistani mulberry, you're not getting ripped off. You just have to know it's going to take anywhere from 2 to 5 years to produce fruit. But in the meantime, it's going to grow like a weed, get massive, and you could make tea out of the leaves, which is cool. It's a great shade tree, so living shade. If you need shade anywhere in your yard, you plant one, and within 1 year or 2, you're going to have that shade. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell. You know, definitely give me that thumbs up, guys. Comments, criticism, whatever it is, leave it down in the comment section. I'll answer all your questions. And until the next video, keep growing, guys.